Off you go!
Congratulations, off you go.
All right. Off you go. Here you are. Off you go.
Would you like some tea, ma'am?
Yes, I'll help myself. Off you go.
You should be getting ready for bed. Don't worry, I'll find him. Off you go.
You're going to be okay! So, off you go, off you go. There we are. Get out of here. Off you go, off you go. There you go. Everyone we know is in danger.
Yes, it is. So off you go.
Hey, you know what? I used to believe in you.
Off you go now, dears. Let Daddy have a little moment to himself with your new mummy.
It's beautiful. She'd love it.
Now, come on, off you go. Quick, you'll be late.
Perhaps you'll be able to conjure up another miraculous escape. But I doubt it. Off you go.
We wouldn't want to spend the weekend in the box of shame, would we? No.
No, Miss Hattie.
Okay, good. Off you go. Go clean something of mine.
Isn't it about time you kids went to bed?
Absolutely. Early start tomorrow, children. Off you go. Good night.
You know, Ma'am, I think I will go to bed. I'll never be able to get up in the morning. Off you go. I'm going to stay here a while longer. Yes, ma'am.
And those with the skill to survive these straits will reach the end where the prize awaits. Off you go, Keys.